This is a video review of the Epica electric hot water pot. You can set different temperatures on the handle by pressing set. You can switch it over. You can also, once it's boiled, which this is boiling, keep it warm. And it'll keep it warm. It does have a big capacity. And shows you how full it is. This is a video review.